Kia ora whānau. So this week and last week, you were tasked with writing your Mihimihi. For those that haven't finished it, this is the slide that you'll work through and do it in your CI book. You've written your Mihimihi in the back of your writing book. If you haven't finished that, you can continue to finish that before you move on to your Pepeha. Here again are the names for your whānau. Koka is aunt, kuia, grandmother, tuahine, sister, mātua, dad, ahau is me, taina is younger brother of a boy, whaia is your mother, karaua, grandfather, mātua keke is your uncle. And so you'll go through and you'll put kia ora, ko, in my case, Mr. Larson, taku ingoa. Hi, my name is Mr. Larson. No, Te Papioia, ahau, I am from Palmerston North. You can just write Ashurst or wherever it is that you were born or the place that you most associate with. Then you can go and name your grandparents. If you can't remember their names, that is fine. You can move on and ask your parents when you get home, and then when you come back during the week, you can put their names in and you'll write ko, your first grandparent, rātou, ko, next grandparent, next one, aku, tipuna. And that says that these four people are my grandparents. And you can carry on down the list until it gets to taku hoa tāne, or hoa wahine, and don't fill those out because none of you are married, have a daughter or a son or a job. So then you finish with no reira, tēnā koutou katoa, which is therefore greetings to all. That needs to be copied into your book. Right, and now your Pepeha. So once you finish writing your Mihimihi, you can now start to write your Pepeha. If you're not sure of the mountain that is from your region, you can use Google to find it. We'll move on. If you need to get any translations, there'll be a link to Māori Dictionary. So the land that you affiliate to, for me it would be ko Manawatu te whenua. So the Manawatu is the area of the land that I affiliate to. For me it would be ko Ruahine me Tararua te Maunga. So those are the two mountains that I affiliate with. If you're from Taranaki, it would be ko Taranaki te Maunga. And then the river for me is also the Manawatu, so ko Manawatu te Awa. Ko Ngāti Pākehā te iwi, so I'm from the Pākehā tribe, so if you're not affiliated with an iwi, you came from overseas, you're not Māori, you will write Pākehā, or you can write whatever nationality you associate with. Your hapu, if you have a sub-tribe or two tribes, you can do that. Otherwise, you go on and name your grandparents again, and then your parents. So ko Robert Rawa, ko Audrey Oku Mātua would be my parents. So ko au tēnei, ko Mr. Larson tōku ingoa. This is me, Mr. Larson is my name. That's how you fill out your Pepeha. That is your te reo task for weeks 4 and 5. It's week 5 now, so you need to be working on that this week, and both of them need to be completed before you can sign yourself off on the task. Kia ora.